blueberry milkshake or mango blueberry milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mango recipes and one of the most unique of the mango milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the blueberry smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the blueberry milkshake recipes. We are going to make mango blueberry milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 grams of blueberry and 100 grams of mango peeled and cut into pieces. The mango and the blueberry. Put in 2 spoons of sugar. Close and grind well. Now the mango and blueberry are nicely ground. Pour in 250 to 300 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Now the mango blueberry milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour the mango blueberry smoothie into the glass. Final mango blueberry milk smoothie or mango blueberry milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the blueberry recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mango recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast milkshake recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.